Hey everyone, welcome to WH Creator. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy and time-saving trick how you can copy multiple pieces of text at once and paste them wherever you want, without switching back and forth between documents again and again. Let's take a look at this example. Here, we have a document with some text. Normally, we copy it using Ctrl C, switch to another document, and then paste it using Ctrl V. Then, we go back again, scroll down, copy another area, and paste it again. Sounds familiar, right? It's time-consuming. But don't worry, I'll show you a simple way to copy multiple text areas at once and paste them anytime you want. Here's what you need to do. Go to the desktop. Right-click. And select Display Settings. On the left side, scroll down and click on Clipboard. On the right side, turn on the Clipboard History option. That's it. Now, Windows will remember everything you copy using Ctrl C. Go back to your document and start copying the different text areas you need. Just press Ctrl C for each one. Once you're ready to paste them, open your new document. Instead of using Ctrl V, press Windows key +V. Without pressing Windows +V, it's not possible. And there you go. You'll see all the text snippets you've copied. Just select the one you want to paste. Now you can quickly add text from different areas without constantly switching between documents. And that's how easy it is to use Windows Clipboard History to copy and paste multiple text items at once. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to WH Creator, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.